Two machines Y and Z work at constant rates producing identical items. Machine Y produces 3 items in the same amount of time in which machine Z produces 2 items. So machine Y should be faster. If machine Y takes 9 minutes to produce a batch of items, how many minutes does it take machine Z to produce the same number of items? So one thing I notice here is we talk about these batch of items without necessarily knowing how many items are in a batch. Do we need to know how many items are in a batch? I don't know. Let's see. So we got two machines, machine Y, machine Z. And let's fill in what we know. So maybe I'll start here because this looks like this gives me machine Y's rate is one batch every 9 minutes. What is this saying? This is telling me that if machine Y produces 3 items in the same amount of time in which machine Z produces 2 items, so Z's rate should be slower than Y's rate. How much slower? Well, 3 times 2/3 is equal to 2. So machine Z's rate should be 2/3 machine Y's rate. So machine Z's rate is 2/3 times 1/9, which gives me 2 batches every 27 minutes. Is machine Z's rate. How many minutes does it take machine Z to produce the same number of items, which is just one batch? So how long does it take machine B to do one batch? Well, if they can do 2 batches in 27 minutes, they should be able to do 1 batch in 13.5 minutes, which is E.